Hello students, I hope you are all doing well. Let's start today's lecture which is about the nature of roots. Okay. In the previous lecture I explained in the quadratic equation introduction, I explained the definition of the root and some basics about the roots. If you not yet watched that video, please go through that. Okay, it may help you better. Okay. Let's continue with this. That is nature of roots. Okay. Let us consider an equation that is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is given by x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay, the nature of roots. We are considering an equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is given by this formula. This is a formula to solve the formula method, quadratic formula method. Okay. So here in this nature of roots, there exist three cases. Let's see the first case, which completely depends on the these term. Which completely depends on this. Case one. Let's take case one. If root of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Okay. If root of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we get we get we get x is equals to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and another root we get x is equals to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And these two, when this root b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, means it is a real. Okay, when we here this term, right, b square minus 4ac, when this b square minus 4ac is greater than 1, it is a real number. When I take this, okay, this is a case one. Okay, let's explain in the next case. That is second case. Okay, when if root of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we get two roots, that is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and x is equals to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If these two are real, right? These two roots are real. Okay. These two roots are real but not same. Right? But not same. Here there is minus, here it is plus. Okay. Then case 2. If root b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, let's take equal to 0, what it will become? So we get x is equals to minus b by 2a and plus or minus 0, that is we will take plus 0, and x is equals to minus b root a minus 0. That is, we get the same roots here, the same roots. Therefore, these these two roots are real, real and C. Real and C. And the next case is, the third case, case 3. Okay. What is the third case? The third case is if root b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Is less than 0. Let us understand here, when the a is less than 0. Let's consider a is less than 0. When a is less than 0, let's take root a is less than 0, right? Root a is less than 0 means this a we can take less than 0 means minus 1, minus 2 or any number. Let's take minus 1. So what is root minus 1? It is imaginary, right? Which is equals to I, right? Which is imaginary. So that we can take, when we, if root of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we did not get any real value, so we get imaginary number, imaginary value. Okay, do you understand? We did not get any real value or real root, okay, or any real root. So we get imaginary number. Okay. So these are the roots of the nature of the roots. Okay, these are the nature of roots. And by continuing this, since this b square minus 4ac determines whether the given quadratic equation has roots or not. Given quadratic equation has roots or not. Okay. And this b square minus 4ac, we can call it as 4ac is called as discriminant. Okay. So let us recap this. Okay. Case 1. If root b square, or if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we get two distinct real roots, right? Two distinct real roots. In case 2, if b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, we get two same or equal real roots, and case 3 is if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we get less than 0, we did not get any real roots, okay. So this is the nature of roots, okay. Let's solve some problems by using this discriminant, okay. This is what the first problem. Find the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equals to 0, and hence find the nature of the roots and find them if they are real. Let's solve this solution. We can take, by considering the equation given here, we can take a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 2, and c is equals to 1 by 3. Right? Now let's substitute in the determinant. So determinant, this is what the determinant, right? So determinant d is equals to 10. This determinant denoted by capital D. So d is equals to b square minus 4ac. So b is equals to, what is b here? Minus 2 square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is 1 by 3. So when we simplify this, minus 2 whole square is 4, minus here 3 get cancels, so 4 minus 4 is 0. So the determinant is, we are getting the determinant is equals to 0. So when the determinant is equals to 0, we get, see here, when the determinant b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, we get two same or equal roots. That is minus b divided by 2a and minus b divided by 2a. Okay, I already explained this. Okay, so therefore there exist two equal roots, that is minus b 2a and minus b 2a, that is x is equals to minus b 2a, right? Then x is equals to, what is b? B is minus 2, so minus into minus 2 divided by 2, what is a? A is 3, so x is equals to minus into minus 2 divided by 2 into 3, which is equals to minus into minus plus, that is 2 by 6 and 2 by 6. X is equals to 2 by 6 and x is equals to 2 by 6. That is 1s are 2, 3s are 1s are 2, 3s are. That is x is equals to 1 by 3 and x is equals to 1 by 3. There is same roots here. Okay. So this is the first problem. Did you understand? Let's take the another last problem of this lecture. That is same question here. We have to find the discriminant and hence find the nature of roots for this equation. Did you understand? Okay. Let's solve this. Solution. Solution. Okay. Let's take a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 4, and c is equals to 3. Right? When we apply determinant formula, that is determinant is equals to b square minus 4ac, which is equals to b square means minus 4 square minus 4 into 2 into 3, right? Then b is equals to, and take is equals to uh, minus 4 square is 16 minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24. What is 24 minus 16? Okay, 16 minus 24, that is minus minus 8, right? Minus 8. So here we are getting which is less than 0, right? So determinant, that is b square minus 4ac, is less than 0. Then we get the, we did not get any, we did not get any real roots, right? So the given quadratic equation has no roots. The given quadratic equation has no roots. Okay, do you understand? So this ends this lecture. Let's meet you in the next lecture. Until thank you, take care, bye bye.